Scrabble is popular the world over. It is quite a famous word game where players use lettered tiles to create words on a game board. The game is played by 2 to 4 players who take turns forming words on the board, crossword puzzle style, using tiles with letters and assigned point values. The main objective is to score the highest number of points by strategically placing tiles to create words and utilizing premium squares on the board. And now, with the help of this AI powered tool, Vocab Scrabble, you can improve your English vocabulary with the help of this tool. The history of Scrabble dates back to the Great Depression era in the United States. It was invented by Alfred Burts, an architect from New York who developed the game in the early 1930s. Alfred initially called the game Lexico and later Crisscross Words. He created the game by combining elements of anagrams and crossword puzzles. In late 1930s, Alfred tried to sell this game to established game manufacturer, but it was initially rejected. But then in 1948, a business named James Brunot acquired the rights to the game and renamed it Scrabble. Brunot and his wife Helen started producing the game in their home, initially selling it to local departmental stores and gradually gaining popularity. During the 1950s and 60s, Scrabble's popularity surged, fueled by enthusiastic word of mouth recommendations and endorsements from celebrities. In 1952, a writer company, which was a game manufacturer, acquired the rights to Scrabble from the Brunots, and then they began mass producing the game. Over the years, Scrabble has been translated into numerous languages and adapted into various formats, including digital versions and competitive tournaments. And now, Scrabble's new version is AI powered, which you can see on your screen. Let's try it out. Let's click on Start Playing with the yellow button. Okay, now the way it works is you can see that on the right hand side there is a counter, but look at this 60-second one. So you have 60 seconds to guess the word, and you can select the letters to form a word by clicking or presses. Once you have a word, click the confirm button to submit your word and score points. So maybe what word should I say? Okay, so minimum 3 letters. I'll just say, oh, my English is R, maybe A, raw. I think I put it. Now, you'll score points based on the length of the word, with each letter worth 5 points and a bonus of 2% for the word with 5 or more letters. And you have 60 seconds per round and 5 minutes per game. Okay, this seems simple, so I'll just say, is there anything? And then maybe 3 letters. So, of course, more choice you have of letter, the easier it is to guess the word. Now, what could we do here? Would it say point of sales or no? What about no now? You see, I go with the easy ones. Just click on here. Anyway, so I could play it whole day, and of course, I think if you want to play it with, to improve your vocabulary, I think it's a good tool. I'm not still yet sure how AI comes into play here. Maybe it is generating these words and stuff, because this could be even created without AI, and that is my very honest opinion. Anyway, if we click on how to play, this is what it tells us, which I just showed you, that select the letters, 60 seconds, and all that stuff. And this has been created by AE Studio. Let's also check out them. So this is the AE Studio. I'm not sure what exactly they do, but seems like a business with deals in data science and design studio. Okay, going back here, I already lost the other one. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I will drop the link to this tool in video's description. Play around with it. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think? And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.